screwdriver drawer, and probably 2/3 of those screwdrivers are junk. Bent. These bad boys are going to replace. Probably about 23 years ago, someone broke into my garage at my old place and stole all my tools, but they didn't steal my screwdrivers. Kind of wish they did. So, because I got all new tools except for those. But now I got some new screwdrivers. April 27th, 35 degrees outside, Ohio. Yep. It's supposed to be fishing. Nice. I lost a screwdriver, so I got a whole bunch of screwdrivers. And this is for my next video, which is a fuel filter, spark plug, and air filter for my MTD riding lawnmower. And it's freezing outside, and I'm not happy, so I'm going back in the house. This is sweet though. Lifetime warranty. I got a bad ratchet that's CRAFTSMAN I need to get replaced. That's what I was reading the back of this for them.